Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these acrylic pen holders by Amazing Abby are very amazing. I have truly enjoyed having them in my craft room. I hold my colored pencils, I hold my very random craft supplies, not just scissors and rulers, but glue pens and bone folders, highlighters, and they're not just great in the office. I love them for my makeup brushes, and also for my coffee station. Really, the opportunities to use these are endless, and the quality is just impeccable. The thickness of the acrylic is so substantial. They are sturdy. I don't feel like they're going to fall over when I use my big scissors in them. The clear look is just so easy to add to the decor of my craft room, or even my coffee station, my bathroom, whatever I'm using them for. And the height is such a nice height. It's not too tall, but it's high enough to hold those taller items. I've just really loved having these in my home and in the different places where I can use them. And I'm so pleased with them. And that's my point of view.